Hi there. This is the plan for selling covered calls on Meta 2 weeks from now, Jan 30, Friday. And I'll explain why it's 2 weeks instead of the usual 1 week. Before we proceed, this content is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial or registered financial advisor. Options involves risk and you may lose money. Please consult a financial advisor before you take any action. So the reason why I'm choosing to sell Meta covered calls 2 weeks from now, Jan 30, is because Meta has its earnings date on Wednesday, Jan 28. Now, I try to avoid selling options near the earnings, but since I already have Meta shares and Meta did fall quite a bit, the puts that I sold last week, I sold it at $650 for a premium of $1,000, and essentially that made my cost basis $640. But I did see that the premiums that it was generating currently for the Friday, which is Jan 30, after the earnings, right, is quite high. So I saw up to $25 premium, which was quite good, I thought. And if I can sell for a strike price $650 for $25, right, I get to collect about $5,000. So I thought, okay, I have 200 shares. Let me sell 2 contracts. And that would effectively, if Meta does not close above 650, it's going to effectively reduce my cost basis by $25, 640 minus 25, 615. And that's the range at which it currently trades. It closed about 620 Friday, Jan 16. So that's the plan I have for selling covered calls on Meta next week. Again, it will depend on how Meta opens. If it is going to get stuck at 620, if it's going to go lower, or if it's going to trade much higher. So this is the rough plan that I have for Meta next week. Markets are closed on Monday. It opens on Tuesday. That's Jan 20. So I do have time. I can wait Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday, right? Because the earnings date is only the Wednesday after next. Not the coming Wednesday, but the Wednesday after next. So I have a lot of time to execute this trade. So let's see how it goes. Keep watching. See you then.